Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Hey guys, so today I'm taking a day off and I'm not going anywhere today except for the shop to make myself some lunch because my feet are killing me and I need one day to rest. I can barely walk and I just decided to show you the suburbs of Arrecife, where is my accommodation, so you can see how the normal city that is not touristic look like here on Canary Islands, on the island of Lanzarote. So this is the main street here. It's more bigger one than the others, I would say, and it's called Calle Tarajasta. And now we are going to go to visit a shop which is quite far away from me and it's the closest one, so we illegally cross the street. Jaywalk, how do you call it? No problem, it's the suburbs, and as you see all the houses are like the same. I would say it's like social housing. I think one of them would go for about 80,000 euros. That's like 3 rooms upstairs and like a living room downstairs, 2 bathrooms and a kitchen. And I also have like a small garden that is more like a prison, you know. And our shop is at the end of the street. Way down there. So I would say about 800 meters, something like that. It's a spar shop, Euro spar, as they call it. So, this is how the houses look like. All the same. Sign prohibited bazaar, private property. And another street. They're pretty much all the same. See. And it's a quiet neighborhood. Not much people on the street at any day, any time of the day. Here, another yellow. And from here runs a bus to the city center. It's like a circular route, number 3. So you can get off wherever you want and get on wherever you want, and it brings you back here. So it's not so difficult to figure out. You just have to find one station of the bus number 3 and you can get here. Look how tall the curves are. Sidewalks. My God, it's better to walk on the street. So we'll go. We have about half a kilometer left to reach the spy shop. And if you want to walk a little more, like 500 more meters after that, you have a shop called Mercadona, which is like a hypermart, a big one, maybe cheaper. But I'm not walking so much to save €2. Well, that's basically how a residential area in Canary Islands look like. Still gotta be careful for traffic, you know. So we are almost there. It's that building there. So I usually take my backpack with me. It's much easier to carry food in it than in a handbag, you know. Yes, I feel like a donkey carrying stuff, but it's much easier to walk with that stuff on my back. I see, like this guy, he also has a backpack like me, but he also buy another stuff. So small park here with more of the same houses. I guess this is what we would call a housing project in the US, I guess. That guy just taking a leak there. Yeah. Welcome to España, to Spain. It's not really a dangerous ghetto, come on. But yeah, it is a ghetto. So this is our spot. So 8 minutes to get here. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.